Y'all, like, can y'all believe I got this wig off of Amazon though? What's up guys, it's lilyalecia. Welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little crazy, but this is gonna be a wig install. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. Let's go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button and feel free to comment down below, and also turn your post notification bells on. Now today's video, like I said before, I will be installing this wig. I did purchase it from Amazon. This is going to be another Amazon wig. Now it did come in a 27 color, and I do have a video on that. I already installed it while it was the original color, but I did go ahead and watercolor the hair into a nice gorgeous blue color, and you guys will see that once I install. Details will be in the description box down below. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already glued down my wig cap, and then I cut off the excess. And now what you do use to blend out or make it look like scalp is I use the Ruby Kisses, the face creator. You guys can get this at your local beauty supply store. This is what I use. Okay, I go ahead and take my handy dandy makeup brush, and then I go ahead and just blend that out. And it is okay once you do get it on the forehead. It's not a big deal. We're gonna clean that up later. Now I do try to get a color wig cap that is closest to my skin tone. I do recommend that. That way it's a little bit easier for you to blend. So that's exactly what I do. Okay, I think that is good. So now what I use to clean it up is I do have these little alcohol prep pads that you could pick up at CVS, Walmart, Target, Walgreens, any local drugstore. But if you guys don't have that, then you guys can go ahead and take some cotton rounds and get some alcohol, spray it with alcohol, and then you guys can go ahead and clean that up. So that's what I'm gonna do. So now the next thing I am going to do is I am going to go ahead and get my handy dandy lace glue, and then I will go ahead and apply 3 layers, letting each layer dry in between, and then we will apply our wig. So stay tuned. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have applied a thin layer. I actually did this side first. That's why this side is a lot more clear. Don't know if you guys can see that. And then I went ahead and applied this side, and this is the lace glue that I am using. Okay, I did get this from my local beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure that there's a lot of other glues out there that works good, but this is the one that I have, so this is what I'm going to use. Okay, so I applied the first layer, and I'm going to go ahead and let that dry. I am working from home, so I do have my laptop right here. So as that's drying, then I'll be working, and then I will come back to you guys to apply the second layer. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, the first layer has completely dried. Now I am going to be going ahead and adding layer number 2. ahead and added the second layer. And as you guys can see, this layer is already starting to dry. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and let this layer dry. And then of course, after this dries clear, then we will put on our third and final layer. So now that the third and final layer has dried completely clear, it is time to put on the wig. that is it, you guys, for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So stay tuned for the next video. I will see you guys in my next one. Always remember, stay beautiful. Bye.